entire house for interior designer called ANI Interiors, and the person name is Vishwakarma. He has designed or he has given various ideas of how the cupboards and what type of finish it should have been and what kind of material has been used and stuff like that. So you could see this output in this way. It is only because of this person called Vishwakarma who has given nice tips how to make the house so beautiful and so elegance, so much elegance. Where when you enter the house, you might be having the positive vibes. It is due to his ideas and tips which he has given. We have implemented by following his tips and ideas. So it is the way he puts his ideas are so much customer friendly that we'll get impressed by the way he conveys his ideas. So you could see all this done. It has taken almost 8.5 months to 9 months to do all this.
The color combinations, the ideas which he has given us is like excellent. We have given like 100 plus color combinations. He was nevertheless giving us the models, and finally we had come out with the excellent house. And we are very much eager to come in, and yeah, we are enjoying it.